Good morning, everyone. Request you to take your seats, please. We are starting the ceremony now. Requesting all our esteemed guests to kindly take their seats, please. We are starting the ceremony now. आप सभी से गुजारिश है, आप सब अपनी अपनी सीट्स ले लें ताकि हम सेरेमनी को शुरू कर सकें. So a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Surbhi Dighe, your host this morning, and on behalf of Novus Loyalty Limited, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are pleased to have you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of Novus Loyalty Limited on the BSE. Thank you all for being here with us today to celebrate this special occasion. So let's kickstart this beautiful morning with a round of applause for all of you and for the entire team of Novus Loyalty Limited. And moving forward, may I request all of you to rise up for National Anthem, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. Please take your seats. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to welcome you all to this momentous occasion as we celebrate the listing of Novus Loyalty Limited on the BSE SME platform. It was founded in 2011. Novus Loyalty Limited has still then steadily evolved into a leading technology-driven enterprise specializing in AI-powered loyalty and rewards platform. Headquartered in Gurugram, the company has built a strong presence across industries such as banking, fintech, retail, e-commerce, and more, enabling business to create meaningful and lasting customer relationships. At its core, Novus is driven by innovation, leveraging advanced analytics and machine learning and data-driven insights to help enterprises enhance customer engagement, improve retention, and deliver personalized experiences through rewards, cashback programs, and intelligent loyalty ecosystems. Well, over the past decade, the company has demonstrated consistent growth, earning the trust of clients globally and building scalable, secure, and future-ready solutions. Today's listing marks not just a financial milestone, but a reflection of the company's commitment to excellence, integrity, and long-term creation. As Novus Loyalty Limited embarks on this new chapter in the public markets, we would like to congratulate the leadership team, employees, all stakeholders, and all the people who have contributed to this beautiful journey. We are confident that the company will continue to innovate, expand, and create enduring value for its customers and shareholders alike. So once again, can we give a huge round of applause for the entire team and for their beautiful journey. And well, a special day like today is graced even further by the presence of our esteemed dignitaries, and as a mark of our gratitude and honor, we would like to welcome them all with a bouquet. Please put your hands together for Mr. Deepak Tomar, promoter and chairman, managing director of Novus Loyalty Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Let the claps be on, let the energies be high as we kickstart this beautiful ceremony. Next, we would like to welcome Ms. Shweta Singh, promoter and whole-time director of Novus Loyalty Limited. Good morning and a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. And next, we would like to welcome Mr. Vibhor Rastogi, CFO and Executive Director of Novus Loyalty Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. And now it's my privilege to welcome on stage Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc. Let the claps be on, let the claps be on. Good morning and a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. And next, we would like to welcome our merchant banker, Mr. Parth Shah, Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. And next, we would like to welcome Ms. Arshita Vasuki along with Ms. Priyal Ganatra from Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited. Can we have both of you on stage? Let the claps be on, let the claps be on. Good morning and a very warm welcome to both the beautiful ladies. Thank you for joining us on stage. And now to begin the event on an auspicious note, we will have the lighting of the lamp, for which may I invite the following dignitaries ahead. Please welcome Mr. Deepak Tomar, Promoter and Chairman, Managing Director of Novus Loyalty Limited. Can we welcome him with a round of applause? Along with Ms. Shweta Singh, Promoter and Whole-Time Director of Novus Loyalty Limited. Along with Mr. Vibhor Rastogi, CFO and Executive Director of Novus Loyalty Limited. Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc, Mr. Parth Shah, Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited, and Ms. Arshita Vasuki, Ms. Priyal Ganatra from Smart Horizon, along with Novus family members. Can we have all of you ahead joining us for the lamp lighting ceremony? So ladies and gentlemen, once again, can we give them a big hand as they begin a prosperous beginning to the ceremony?
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam Arogyam dhana sampadah.
So thank you all for lending your hand to begin the event on an auspicious note. Let's make it more auspicious by adding some more energy with a round of applause, everyone. Beautiful. Well, how can we move forward in the ceremony without hearing from our promoter and chairman, managing director of Novus Loyalty Limited? So I'm going to take a moment to quickly invite on stage Mr. Deepak Tomar and request him to share a few words on this momentous occasion. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause and a lot of energy. Let the claps be on, let the claps be on. Yes. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Like they already announced my name, but I'll introduce myself again. I'm Deepak Tomar. Usually, when I start my introduction, the first word I say, like, I'm a techie. Like, so I used to say that, but I'll still maintain it. I'm a technology person from my heart. Then I become a business person eventually when I get into the business, but still a technology person from the heart. So first, I would like to thank everybody who has joined us today, all board members, our investors, advisors, and our well-wishers as well. So to give a little bit background on the Novus Loyalty, in 2011 when we started, the idea was to give brands some technology, how they'll be able to connect to their customers more. But it was more on a service side of it. Eventually, we realized there was lot gap in market, how customer can be more connected to the brands, right? Then loyalty programs came into the picture. We saw a very huge gap in the market. How these softwares are helping these brands was a very huge gap. We work with a lot of enterprise softwares first, was helping them to integrate with all the brands, but was taking long time. Yep. Then idea came into my mind. We first start with a franchise-based loyalty, which we're going to give it to marketing agency, and they're going to onboard a lot of customers on top of it. Then we started in 2015, we realized if we'll sell direct to the customer, that's going to be better for the customer. We'll be able to serve them better. Major breakthrough came in 2019 when all that platform was ready, but then we entered into the BFSI segment in India. We onboarded NPCI as one of our major clients, then start working with them. That was a major breakthrough for us. During this journey, a lot of hurdles came, but with help of my team members, with help of advisors, we were able to overcome all those hurdles and also was able to mold this business as situations come along. A lot of hard times came, but with the help of all our advisors, we were able to sail through that. What we do today, we have more than 100 plus enterprise clients who are using our platform, around 200 million customers, loyalty members of our clients. They are using our platform. We process more than 100 million transactions every month. We have clients across banking, fintech, retail. From our Accurel engine, it's about 7 billion plus points being accumulated every year. So we have reached a level. What we are doing next, we're going to expand the company globally from here. Still, right now, it's major businesses from Indian markets, but we are already expanding it into US, UAE, Australia, all other regions as well. Also, going to make it more diversified experience for our clients as well, right? So but today is more about thanking everybody who helped us to be where we are today. So I would like to extend my gratitude towards all our employees as well. There are a lot of people who've been with me for about more than 10 years now. They believed in me. There was hard times where they could have left to work for some other company where they're going to get more money from that company, but they stick around. They believe in my vision. So I'm very, very thankful to all our employees as well. So I'll also mention this, we are very, very excited for this milestone where we have come, but this is not the destination. This is just a step for us. From here, it's going to be above and beyond 100%. We'll have access to capital markets from this, but it's going to give us all the tools we need for our expansion, right? By saying this, I'll just thank you everybody for being part of Novus Loyalty story. Thanks everyone.
Thank you so much, Mr. Deepak Tomar, for joining us on stage and for giving such a positive kickstart to our today's ceremony. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And keep the claps on as I'm going to invite next Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc, and request her to share a few words on this momentous occasion. Let's welcome her with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning and a warm welcome to each one of you as we gather here to celebrate this milestone event of listing of equity shares of Novus Loyalty Limited. The Indian loyalty management market, which was estimated at 432 million USD in 2024 and projected to reach nearly 1 billion USD in 2035. This evolving landscape has amplified the relevance of agile loyalty platforms capable of meeting modern customer expectations and marking today's listing particularly significant. Novus Loyalty Limited stands out as the first company on the BSE SME platform to operate specifically in the niche loyalty tech and customer engagement technology segment. And a round of applause for this, please. We welcome Novus Loyalty to our family of listed entities. We have till date listed 711 companies on the BSE SME platform, and helped companies to raise over 15,000 crores through this platform. And the market capitalization of all these companies put together is over 1,75,000 crores. So this is how the companies grow, and Tomarji also said that he also wants to grow. Definitely, we want to see this company grow in this segment and migrate and go on to the main board. Of the 711 companies, there are already 200 companies, that is 1/3 of them, have already gone and migrated onto the main board. And that's how the growth has happened. And of the migration, there are many companies who have gone into the A group also. So that's the dream I think the company should be having it. This platform is turning small businesses into strong, compliant, and scalable companies. And what's more remarkable is, of course, the migration that I spoke about. Now, listing comes with a huge benefit, huge visibility, branding, but it comes with a huge responsibility and accountability. And that's when smaller companies, when SME companies come to list, we are very happy that they have taken this bold step. Many big companies also do not want to take the step because of the compliance issues. So when a smaller company comes, we are really proud of these companies. They have come up, they have matured to this extent that they can be a good corporate governed company, engage with the shareholders, moreover, bring professionalism in their system, and see that the investors are rewarded for that. We wish the company all the very best, and we wish to congratulate the merchant bankers and all the other intermediaries who have played a big role in this milestone day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, for joining us on stage and for addressing the gathering. Let's once again give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, it's time to hear from our merchant banker. It's my honor and privilege to invite on stage Mr. Parth Shah, Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited, and request him to share a few words. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
So good morning, everyone. Myself, Parth Shah from Smart Horizon Capital Advisors, the merchant bankers to the issue. This is our 73rd listing, and we extend a warm welcome to all to the listing ceremony of Novus Loyalty Limited. As a long-standing player in SME, we are very bullish in SME as an ecosystem. The journey was filled with lots of ups and downs, and I must say, all well that ends well. And we are happy to report that in this turbulent times of the entire capital markets, the offering achieved an overall subscription of 1.55 times, with a QIB category subscribed 1.3 times and retail oversubscribed by 1.82 times. A leader is someone who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And opening an IPO at such a crucial juncture defines us one. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to Mr. Deepak, Mr. Vibhor, Ms. Shweta, and entire team of Novus Loyalty for standing at midnight hours. Mr. Hitesh Patel, Mr. Gaurav, Mr. Harshit for being the backbone of entire roadshow. Lastly, listing wouldn't have been successful without investors who stood with us in difficult times. The successful subscription of the IPO clearly shows the faith and trust which they place in the company and reliance on the management. Our sincere gratitude extend to my Smart Horizon team with Rockstar Priyal, starting with Arshita, Yash, Nisha, Payal, Divya, Mansi, Harsh, and Ankita from the Smart team. The entire BSE listing and compliance team for ensuring us timely approval. A special thanks to Ms. Radha Kirtivasan and entire business development team, along with Ms. Kamla, Mr. Janardhan, Mr. Ridesh, Mr. Hardik, and all the other officials of BSc. Thank you so much for ensuring that we are here today. I wish them all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Patsha, for joining us on stage and for addressing the gathering. Let's once again give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And now, to commemorate the significance of this event, we will have exchange of mementos. First, BSc will present mementos to special dignitaries of Novus Loyalty Limited. So may I request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc, to present a listing memento to Mr. Deepak Tomar, Promoter and Chairman Managing Director of Novus Loyalty Limited. Can we welcome them both on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? BSc will also present an individual memento to Novus Loyalty Limited. Thank you, Mr. Deepak Tomar, for joining us on stage. Request Radha ma'am to stay back. BSc will now present a memento to merchant bankers. So may I request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc, to present a memento to Mr. Parth Shah, Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited, RBRLM. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the claps on. Thank you, Mr. Patsha, for joining us on stage. Request Radha ma'am to stay back. Well, Novus Loyalty Limited will now present a memento to BSc. So may I request Mr. Deepak Tomar to present a memento to Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc. Request Mr. Deepak Tomar to stay back, and thank you, Radha ma'am, for joining us on stage and for doing the honors. Let's give her a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Well, Merchant Banker will now present a memento to the company. So may I request Mr. Parth Shah to present a memento to Mr. Deepak Tomar, our Promoter and Chairman Managing Director of Novus Loyalty Limited. Thank you, Mr. Deepak Tomar, for joining us on stage. Request Mr. Parth Shah to stay back. So may I now request Mr. Parth Shah to present a memento to Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc. Thank you, Radha ma'am, for joining us on stage. Request Mr. Parth Shah to stay back. I will now request Mr. Parth Shah to present a memento to Mr. Hitesh Patel, Mr. Gaurav Hatalkar, and Mr. Harshit Mehta. So our merchant banker is now presenting a memento to investors. Let's welcome them on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I'll request Mr. Patsha to stay back. Well, now Novus Loyalty Limited will present mementos to partners whose contribution has been instrumental in the successful listing of the company. So may I request Mr. Deepak Tomar to present the mementos, and I will request him to present the first memento to our merchant banker, Mr. Patsha. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Mr. Patsha. I request Mr. Deepak Tomar to stay back. Next, we would like to welcome on stage Ms. Priyal Ganatra, Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited, to receive the memento. Let the claps be on, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we would like to welcome Ms. Arshita Vasuki from Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited. Request Ms. Arshita Vasuki from Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited to kindly join us on stage to receive the memento. After Ms. Arshita, can we have Mr. Yash Madne from Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited? Next, can we have Mr. Dhaval Ravaria from Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a round of applause. And after this, can we have Ms. Asha Agarwal, an Associates Legal Advisor to the offer? A representative from Asha Agarwal and Associates Legal Advisor to the offer. Nobody's there. Can we have Ms. Pushyami Talam from ICICI Bank Limited, banker to the offer? After this, can we have a representative from Shreni Shares Limited, market maker to the offer? After this, can we have a representative from KFin Technologies Limited, registrar to the offer? Next, can we have CA Lakshmi Narayan, LN Nangalya and Company, Chartered Accountants, Statutory Auditor of the company. Let the claps be on, ladies and gentlemen. Next, can we have Murli Vaidyanathan? Mr. Murli Vaidyanathan, Gayatri, Rohit Mahajan, Ankush Sabharwal, Vikas Davra, Asit Obroy. If you all are around, please raise your hand so I know you all are here. Nikhil Sahani. Pooja Kansal. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a round of applause, Miss Pooja Kansal. So ladies and gentlemen, we are very close to the listing ceremony. Shushma Samarth. Let the claps be on, ladies and gentlemen. Let the claps be on. Mr. Jatin. Is Mr. Jatin around? Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, just a few more minutes and the special moment is going to be here. We hope you all are excited and ready. Next, can we have Jaydeep Iyer, RBL Bank. Jaydeep Iyer, not there. Ravi Joshi. Mr. Ravi Joshi. Keshav Inani. Ashish Bhel. Ashish Bhel. So ladies and gentlemen, keep your excitement high because we are very, very close to the bell ringing moment. Ravindra Bhatt. Mr. Purav Bateja. We can see there are a lot of new people who have just joined us. We'd like to quickly welcome them and just inform them to kindly remain seated. Please do not block the cameras as we are going live. You have cameras behind capturing the ceremony. Please avoid the middle area of the ceremony. Vinay Avasti. Mr. Arun Kumar Ramakrishnan. All the people who are just joining in for the ceremony, please avoid the middle part of the ceremony. Please avoid the middle section of the ceremony. We have cameras behind capturing the moment. Next, can we have Mr. Manish Chanchana? Mr. Manish Chanana. Mr. Varun Dutt. Ishan Shah. Rajesh Fernandez. Mr. Mitesh. Akshay Vivek. Jay Shah. Mr. Jay Shah. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Jay Shah. So ladies and gentlemen, now the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. It's time for the bell ringing ceremony. May I invite the following dignitaries to kindly join us on the stage for the bell ringing ceremony. Please welcome Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSc, along with Mr. Parth Shah, Ms. Shweta Singh, Mr. Vibhor Rastogi and others. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on the screen, we have a timer. As soon as the timer strikes 10, I will request all of you to kindly join me in the countdown with as much enthusiasm as you've got. एक बार फिर आप सबको याद दिलाना चाहते हैं कि आप सब देख सकते हैं कि टाइमर ऑलरेडी शुरू हो चुका है. जैसे ही टाइमर 10 पे पहुंचेगा, आप सभी को मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन जो है वो कहना है एंड पूरी एनर्जी और एंथुजियाज्म के साथ कहना है. Are we all ready and excited for this? Can we have a louder yes? We have so many people in the house. Come on, everyone. Are we excited for this? Yes. Louder. Yes. Loudest yes of the morning. Come on, everyone. And 30 more seconds to go. Once again, I'd like to remind people to kindly remain seated. We have cameras behind capturing the moment. If there are still more people who would like to join us on stage, can do this quickly, avoiding the middle area. Ready, everyone? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! Novus Loyalty Limited is now officially listed on the BSE, and it is such a proud moment for all of us and for the entire team of Novus Loyalty. Congratulations! Ladies and gentlemen, can we keep the claps on? Let's make this moment extra special for the entire team. What a beautiful journey. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure we all are aware it takes years and years of consistent effort to reach on a platform like this. So can we all keep at least our claps on for a few more seconds? And let all of them know how proud we are of them. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain seated. We are going to continue with the ceremony further. Guys, making this ceremony even more special, we have here with us some international delegations. So we would also like to acknowledge their presence and give them a very warm welcome. Can we give them a huge round of applause for making it to this special ceremony? Ladies and gentlemen, may we request you to kindly step down the stage. We can continue with the pictures a few minutes later. We need to continue with the ceremony now. Thank you. Request Mr. Deepak Tomar to kindly stay back on stage. Do we have Hitesh Patel? Let's welcome him with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Hitesh Patel. Do we have Mr. Gaurav Hatalkar around? After Mr. Gaurav, can we have Harshit Patel? Do we have Harshit Patel around? Next, can we have Mubina Kapasi? Not there. Ashish Kacholia. Abhijit Mukherjee. Not there. So thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage and for doing the honors, and many, many congratulations to you. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. May I now invite Ms. Shweta Singh on stage and request her to deliver the vote of thanks. Let's welcome her on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, everyone. As we are close to ending this ceremony, I would like to take this opportunity to show my gratitude to every one of you present here today. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank BSC, our board members, investors, and stakeholders. Thank you for putting your trust in us and standing by us. Your support and belief has played a huge role in bringing us to this milestone. Behind every successful IPO is a lot of hard work that often goes unseen. And we deeply appreciate the effort put by our merchant bankers, legal advisors, auditors, and company secretaries. To our partners and clients, thank you for choosing us, for growing with us, and for bringing such an important part of our story. Last but not the least, I'd like to express my deep gratitude to our entire Novus Loyalty team, Deepak, for his vision. This moment truly belongs to you. Your dedication, your energy, and your effort and belief in what we are building is what has made today possible. And finally, to everyone present here today, thank you for being part of this milestone with us. It means a lot to us. This is a big day for us, but more than that, it is the beginning of something new and even bigger. We are excited for what lies ahead, and we are glad to have all of you here with us on this journey. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us on stage. We have one last memento to give away. I'll request Mr. Parth Shah to kindly join us on stage and request Mr. Gaurav Hatalkar from Novus Loyalty Limited to kindly join us on stage to receive the memento. Next, we would like to invite our statutory auditor, a representative from Ellen Nangalya and Company, and request Mr. Deepak Tomar to kindly join us on stage to receive the memento. Next, can we have Mr. Mitesh on stage? Mr. Mitesh. Deepak sir, request you to stay back. Are we done? Once again, thank you, Deepak sir, for joining us on stage and for doing the honors. With this, we come to the end of the listing ceremony. We are grateful to our host, BSc, members of the board, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all the others who took the time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you all once again for gracing this event with your presence, and please do join us for breakfast. Thank you.